Model, 71-plate Vauxhall Movano Master L2H2 Dynamic 2.3 CDTI Noisy Chain Euro 6 No VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 134,700. MOT, the 23rd of January 2026. Engine, 2179 ccdw 12RUD 103 kW 6 DSS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a rattle. Timing chain is stretched. Engine has a chain rattle. The chain that connects the cams together has stretched and is rattling against the top engine cover. Straightforward replacement chain job. Engine still starts and idles correctly, just the noisy chain.